Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fish vattichathu. Start by cleaning and scoring the fish, then marinate with tamarind, red chili powder, turmeric, garlic, and salt for 10 to 15 minutes. Heat oil, pan-fry fish until golden, remove, then prepare the masala by sautéing onions, curry leaves, mustard seeds, and chopped tomatoes until soft. Add the fish back, simmer briefly so the flavors meld, then serve hot with rice or bread. Build a balanced masala by frying whole spices first, then softening onions and tomatoes slowly until they meld into a smooth base. Add ground spices like red chili and turmeric, then splash tamarind water to create a tangy backbone that lifts the fish. Return the pan-fried fish to the sauce and spoon the masala over each piece so it soaks in. Simmer gently for a few minutes before serving. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support the channel. It really helps. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is perfect for reading recipes anywhere, and its glare-free screen works well under kitchen lights. I often keep one on the counter for step-by-step instructions. Check the description for the link and other deals and grab one if you like. Now let's get back to the video. Present the fish on a shallow dish so the masala pools and everyone can spoon it over rice. Add a simple side of plain yogurt or cucumber salad to cool the palate against the spicy tang. A final scatter of chopped cilantro and a squeeze of lime lifts the dish instantly. Leftovers stay flavorful, but rest briefly at room temperature before refrigerating in a sealed container.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.